Want this? Well, the first step is to take the video to the timeline. Then click on Effects. Look for Sketch and bring it to the timeline. Now we look for Blur and we take it to the timeline. Export the video. Resolution 4K. In frame rate, 30 FPS if it is a video for TikTok, and 60 FPS if it is a video for YouTube. Export. Now, we eliminate the sketch effect. We look for the neon effect and we take it to the timeline. Export. And the same as before, 60 FPS for YouTube and 30 FPS for TikTok. We eliminate blur. And we eliminate neon. Now we will import the two videos that we rendered. We take both videos to the timeline, first part 1 and then part 2. Select the first one. Click on Video, Basic, Blend, Mode, Color Burn, 35% opacity. In the second video, we set the mode, Color Dodge, 65% opacity. Now we go to Adjustment. We take a new layer. In Basic, we scroll down. Sharpen 20. Brilliance 6. Shadow -10. Contrast 4. And that's it. Now to export. 4K resolution. Then if it is video for TikTok 30 FPS, if it is for YouTube 60 FPS. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.